In the heart of Death Valley lies a mystery that baffled scientists for decades. These are the sailing stones, rocks that seem to move across the desert floor on their own, leaving trails behind them. For years, no one saw them move. Theories ranged from strong winds to magnetic forces, until 2014. Researchers discovered that in winter, thin ice forms under the rocks. As the sun melts the ice, wind gently pushes the rocks across the slick, wet surface. It's a rare mix of ice, water, wind, and time, a slow-motion dance only nature could choreograph. One of Earth's most quiet and beautiful mysteries, solved by science but still magical.